Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the stamp from Will for the underwater expedition prep. So make sure you've done the quest first as well. Go to your watch, select this, and track Will here. And then as you can see, there will be like a question mark. And then you're just going to talk to Will. Okay. Leave it to me. Okay, we just need to submit 3 rare timbers to Will. So let's do that. If not, you need to find the rare timber. I feel like it's just going to direct you there if you don't have it. But I do have 4, so that's enough, I think. Ooh, we also like got this Light of Guards reward. And we also got a stamp. Thank you. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!